Welcome to a demonstration for generating graphs. This is a file generated by Datalogger. This is from 8-channel Datalogger, which is a USB pen drive Datalogger from ESD. You have to open that file in. It's a .csv file. It opens into Microsoft Excel. After opening the file, you will see the date, then the time, and the readings of the all the 8 channels. Here I'll just insert one row, and here we'll just name it. Sorry, date, time, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, and C8. These are all the channels. Now, just to add the graphs, you have to go to Insert. This is the recommended graphs, or you can just select this. Click this arrow. You'll get to see all the graphs available. Go to All Charts. In that, go to Line Charts. In that, you have to select this one. You can select either of this. You click here and OK. So that graph will get inserted. So this is the graph. You can just drag, drop, or resize this as per your requirement. If you want to add title, you should click the plus here. It will show the elements of the chart. We can add axis title. Okay, and just rename this title. Temperature versus time on 21st June 2023. Y-axis, you rename it to temperature. Click the x-axis here. Sorry. We click the x-axis and then do time. Okay. And here you can see the time. It starts from 9:10 to 7 in the evening. If you want to change this, if the date is also shown in here, you can remove the date. Just click here to the filter option. It will click select data, and the date. Just select the date. Remove the just select the time. Remove the date. Click OK. Now you see the cluttered part is gone. This is the graph. You see it's channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are open, so you won't see any readings for that. If you click save, now the CSV file, it doesn't save the graph, so when you click save, it will ask a message. It will give a message saying, 1 second. Okay. And if you close this and if I open it again, I didn't get the graph because it wasn't saved as per the CSV. We'll again insert it, not a problem. Insert, go to this part, all charts, line, select this, select this particular one. Okay, resize it. I'll just select the menu, select data, just select the time. Okay. Okay. Now if I click save, no, it's not asking me whether to save it. Save as and browse.